Okay, that's fine. You didn't notice.
Did you notice? Did you just turn on the light?
Yeah, he looked up.
I wore it for 2. No.
He doesn't have a clue.
He doesn't have a clue. Is it still on?
I think so.
He won't even notice. I'm sure even if you like keep them on until he gets in the...
He's gonna start the car and that thing is gonna go up for sure. Like,
Oh my god!
and it's all rusty for sure.
Is he like...
You think? Your fault. I didn't push nothing. I didn't touch anything. I'm not the responsible one on this one.
It's all Sabrina's fault.
You what?
It's all Sabrina's fault.
There's a guy who just jumped in the car and just pushed on every button and then he ran away. Like.
Push the button! Max, I pushed the button.
No, don't tell him it's you. I have a hair in my... Oh, there you go.